Mission continues to grow and learn the latest technologies, and through this we get to work with some really cool, smart people across the U.S. It's so important for us to marry technology and people together to build solutions that make the world a better place.
I think the role that we play to make our customers successful is being curious and inquisitive, asking the right questions, and getting to the root of what's necessary and what they need, right? And that takes a lot of perspectives. So we need to be talking to maintenance and quality and what are the production metrics and what do you stay up at night with? All those kind of questions help us build that statement around what's needed.
From the get-go, our team really focuses on the fact that we actually collaborate with our customers throughout the entire duration of the relationship and each specific project. We want to make them feel involved. So one of the things that we have the most fun with is the process of whiteboarding.
So we have everybody from mom and pop shops to large companies. They're looking to automate anything that they can. When that labor shortage hit, a lot of these companies almost went under. So their only option was to turn to automation. So it's just very exciting to see like everybody getting into the industry these days.
Mission is a place that people are striving to work with because of their integrity and because of the way that our team has brought their experience of many years to solve the problems of today.
Working at Mission Design is a great experience. It's fun every day to come into work, be around passionate people who care about what they're doing and care about who they're doing it with and care about our customers and what their needs are.
Mission exists to deliver a great experience and solutions through a culture of innovation and teamwork.
Mission exists to make people's life better on a daily basis. Learning and understanding customer needs, being able to partner with them, solve the problems, implement it for a better outcome with confidence and expertise makes a great integrator.
We've been taking on more and more interesting projects, and each new project that I'm on, I'm learning new things. My mentors are teaching me a bunch, and I'm always excited for new challenges. So I'm just excited to see what we tackle next. I've been in the automation industry for 1 year.
12 years.
26 years.
27 years.
24 years.
20 years.
34 years.
6 years.
31 years.
9 years.
15 years.
Not long enough, there's so much to learn. 17 years.
33 years and counting.